Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now by plugging into the router. Ethernet is best for stability. Open your browser and type the router IP, commonly 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1, press enter. Once logged in, enter the admin username and password. If you don't know them, check the device label or your documentation. Make sure to use the router's web interface, not a cloud app. This first step gets you into the control panel, so you can reveal. Once done logging in, go straight to System Tools or Administration. Different models label it differently. You want the Account or System section. Alternatively, check Wireless Security for the Wi-Fi passphrase. If the current password is masked, look for a Show checkbox or an eye icon. Some firmware reveals it locally. If no reveal option exists, use the Change or Reset feature to set a new password. Make sure to record the new credentials in a secure place, like a password manager. You finish by saving settings and rebooting the router. Expect Wi-Fi clients to drop and reconnect with the new credentials. If you cannot access the web UI, perform a hardware reset. Press and hold the reset button about 10 seconds, then log in with factory defaults and reconfigure. Make sure to set a strong admin and Wi-Fi password afterward. 12 or more characters, mixed types. If problems persist, check Ethernet connection, browser cache, or try a different device before repeating the reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.